Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to be withdrawing from my yellow card to my bank account. Currently I have ton on my yellow card, so let me just head over to where I have coins here and click so we can see the coins I have. So I have I have 1.3657 ton, which is right here. So I'm just going to click on ton. The first thing I need to do is to sell my ton. I'm going to sell my ton for Naira. I'm going to sell my ton for Naira. So I'm going to click on sell. So I'm selling max all my ton. I'm selling all of it. So I'm going to click on next. You are selling 1.365 ton and receiving 13,150. Hold on, let me go back and confirm something. Currently showing 13,150. So I'll just go back and click done, sell, max, next, confirm. So I'm just going to head over to my email and get my OTP. Okay, I'll just go ahead and enter my OTP. And voila, my ton is sold. Done. Alright, so yeah, I've sold my ton. I no more have, let me just refresh. Okay, you see, I no more have ton here anymore, so I've been able to sell my ton. So the next thing I need to do now is to withdraw to my bank account. So let me refresh. Alright, this took a while, but here it is. So the next thing I need to do now is to withdraw. So I want to get over to the withdraw section. Withdraw money. Choose a method to withdraw money from your NGN wallet. So I'm going for instant transfer. Go ahead and enter. I'm just going to go ahead and enter the amount I need to withdraw. The details here is correct. I want to click on next. Okay, so they're actually charging me 100 naira. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back and change this amount to 100 naira. 13,100 naira. So let me go back. Confirm. Head back to my email to check my OTP. 211. We reviewed your withdrawal request. We'll let you know as soon as your 13,100 withdrawal request is complete. So I'm just going to click on done and hold on to see. Wait for a moment for the transaction to go through. All right, so I'm just going to head over to my OPAY app to confirm. All right, so my transaction has arrived. If you look at the time it arrived, it didn't even take up to 10 minutes. I'm sure it didn't take up to 10 minutes. So here is my, I'm just going to click on this for the receipt. So you see, if you look into this receipt right here, you're going to notice the PalmPay logo, and also the transfer is from Cityware Company Limited. So I feel these companies are somehow affiliated. Maybe that's why they've been able to make their transaction process easy and swift as well. So this is how to withdraw from yellow card to your bank account. If you follow the procedure carefully, you should have your funds sent to your account in no time. If this video is helpful, please make sure to give it a like, comment, and also subscribe for more educational videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.